The United Democratic Party has questioned the leadership of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala. As a cabinet minister and UDP legislator, Rymbui has asked Pala to introspect why all Congress members are leaving the party as soon as he took charge as the party chief. Talking to reporters, Rymbui said in Pala's presidency of the state Congress, the party lost all its MLAs and even the prospective candidates who were likely to contest from the Congress are running away. Meanwhile, Pala also alleged that Rymbui has embarrassed his own party by failing to control his home department as well as education department. He was targeting UDP on tear gas incident. Hitting back at Pala, Rymbui, who is a former Congress leader, said due to Pala's mismanagement, the Congress continues to suffer.
I think he should introspect why all his colleagues ran away from him. As soon as he comes to the state, the Congress lost all its MLA, and even the prospective candidate whom they have already selected that they may contest from the Congress. As of now, they are run away to other party.
I think Rymbui has really embarrassed his own party, where his own party demanded his resignation. And his own party, his own departments is fighting with another departments. The home departments under him, education department under him. So home department tear gassed the education department, the teachers and all.
Suspended Congress legislature